Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add IDM or Internet Download Manager extension on Mozilla Firefox on Windows 10. So first of all, let's open our Mozilla Firefox. After you have opened Mozilla Firefox, you will see this three-line option right here on the top right corner of your browser, and you have to click on this. Then go to More Tools, then go to Extensions for Developers. Now you will be brought to here. This is the Mozilla Firefox site where you can actually download extensions. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this box and write IDM. So the first option you can see is IDM integration module. So we're going to click on that. We're here where we can download IDM integration module. So we're going to click on add to Firefox. And here we can see this pop-up has come up and we will click add. So now we can see IDM integration module was added. So we have added IDM integration module and let's click OK. So that's how you can add IDM extension for Mozilla Firefox on Windows 10. So thanks everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing our channel and liking this video so that we can create more content in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.